Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to mint a Paws voucher using an easy method. A Paws voucher represents a unique digital asset on the blockchain. Minting is the process of creating this new, verifiable digital item. This easy method simplifies the steps, making it accessible for everyone to get their own Paws voucher quickly and efficiently. We'll cover everything you need to know to complete the process smoothly. Before you begin, make sure you have a compatible cryptocurrency wallet set up and ready. It's crucial that your wallet contains enough funds to cover any associated transaction fees, which are typically small. Once your wallet is prepared, the next step is to securely connect it to the official Paws voucher minting platform. This connection is essential for the minting process. With your wallet connected, simply navigate to the Mint section on the Paws voucher platform. Here, you'll be able to choose the specific type of Paws voucher you wish to mint, or specify a quantity if applicable. After making your selection, a prompt will appear in your connected wallet asking you to confirm the transaction details. Review these carefully before approving. Once you confirm the transaction in your wallet, your Paws voucher is officially minted and recorded on the blockchain. You can then access and view your newly acquired Paws voucher directly within your connected cryptocurrency wallet. From there, you have the flexibility to either hold onto your voucher or transfer it to another wallet or user as you wish. Congratulations on your new Paws voucher.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.